Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Gmail, signed into the Google account that holds the documents. In the top search bar, type a focused query like has, attachment filename doc or filename docx or filename gdoc. This quickly surfaces emails with docs or Word attachments. Once done, use the drop-down to add sender, subject, or date filters to narrow results. Make sure to press enter and scan the newest results first so you don't miss recently shared items. Now open an email that matches your search. Attachments and Google Drive links appear near the bottom of the message. You can preview most document types inline by clicking the attachment icon, which is faster than downloading. This preserves your device storage. If it's a Google Docs link, choose Open with Google Docs to edit directly, or click the Drive Save icon to store a copy. Make sure to check the file owner and sharing settings before making edits. Finish by saving important files to Google Drive so you can access them across devices. Select File Save a Copy or use the Drive icon. If you need collaboration, adjust sharing to Viewer, Commenter, or Editor and send the link. If you still can't find a doc, make sure you're in the correct Google account, check spam and all mail, and search for the sender's email. If permissions block access, request access from the file owner and wait for their approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.